Hello everyone, I am Rambabu from Christ King Engineering College. I am doing my degree in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today I am going to say about closed loop P by F control of induction motor drive. First of all, I am going to say about what is induction motor. An induction motor is an AC electric motor in which the electric current in the rotor needed to produce torque is obtained by the electromagnetic induction from the magnetic field of stator winding, and it works in the principle of electromagnetic induction. An induction motor also referred to as a synchronous motor because they operate speed less than their synchronous speed. Okay, let's begin with the basic formula of EMF. Here the basic formula of EMF is E is equal to 4.44 F by Mn. Here E is the induced EMF, F is frequency, pi m is maximum flux, and N is number of turns, where 4.44 is constant. Here the maximum flux depends upon the EMF. E is equal to V. In the formula is changed into V is equal to 4.44 F by Mn. So the formula became V by F is equal to 4.44 pi Mn, where 4.44 pi Mn is constant. Now we going to plot the curve voltage against variable frequency. In this curve voltage against the variable
rotor frequency is
when the frequency is
which
increased
we can get the
till the rated voltage
rotor speed with P by 120. So we get the desired frequency F star. The desired frequency F star is converted into the omega star by multiplying it with 2 pi. Now the omega star is converted into the omega F star by doing integration. Now with this desired voltage V star and the angle omega F star, we can able to get 3 sinusoidal signal PWM control circuit. To avoid confusion, first convert into 2 sinusoidal signal, that is V alpha and V beta. Will get 90-degree phase shift. Now this desired 2 phase V alpha star and V beta star is converted into 3 phase V A star, V B star, V C star. The system is done using inverse clock transformation. Finally, desired V A star, V B star and V C star. Then it will be given to PWM control circuit, where it is compared to the triangle carrier signal generates gate signal from switches from its inverter. At least the inverter will give desired voltage and frequency based on the desired rotor, but beyond the rated value voltage is constant. This is a characteristic equation of the V by F control of induction motor. Next basic concept is torque and omega power is equal to T omega. T is nothing but load curve and omega is equal to the 2 pi F, where frequency is equal to Ns equal to 120 F by P. F is frequency, P is number of poles. Next we can see how to change the frequency. In order to change the frequency, we need to change the frequency by which the synchronous speed and actual speed of the rotor. Next, how to change the voltage with respect to frequency. As frequency increase or decrease, the voltage also to increase or decrease. Next we can see about implementation of closed loop V by F control. Closed loop system is used to speed control is required because even any external disturbance happen, closed loop system identifies and maintains desired rotor speed and N star. We can consider that N star as disabled rotor speed in closed loop V by F control of induction motor. The first step is to sense the actual rotor speed N using the speed sensor. Speed sensor, the desired rotor speed N star can be N star and N. Both N star and N is compared in error generator and generates the error which is equal to N star minus N. The next, the error is given to PI controller. The job of the PI controller is to change its output until the input error is 0. So the output of the PI controller is desired slip frequency. The slip frequency is equal to F minus F.